Hello and welcome to our series on your speed feedback radar sign. I'm Lorrimer, an engineer with the ITS department of the Maine DOT.
And I'm Colby Fortier-Brown, also an engineer with the ITS division of Maine DOT.
In this series we are going to cover a number of different things in different videos. The first video which is this one, is unboxing the sign. Next video will be the mounting and assembly of the sign onto a post or pole, followed by connecting your computer to the sign, and with the final video being navigating the software and downloading the data. So let's get started with this. When you first get your box, you will want to open it from the top. Can we just fold this down the other way?
Of course.
The top of the box will have the writing. It shows what's inside. It makes it easier if you open the box from this side.
Yeah. And always make sure that Traffic Logix is facing up when you have the box standing up.
Okay. Inside the box, remove the polystyrene. You can clearly see the sign itself and this piece of conduit here. This hose looks like a very inviting handhold. Do not grab it to use it to pull the sign out the box. It will come loose from its connector and then you will have to try and repair it. The metal connector it goes into is a solid handhold, so if you need something to grip that. You got it?
When you're pulling it out of the box, it's always good to have two people working on it, just in case, because it can be difficult to pull out. Set it on top like this, and once you've got it all figured out, try to grab some keys to unlock the clips here. We'll show you the keys when we continue the unboxing, but we're going to unsnap it now. Once you've got it unsnapped, you can open it up and let it sit where it is.
The next item from the box is the solar panel. This is used to power your sign during the spring, summer and fall seasons. It is highly recommended that in the winter you unhook this solar panel to prevent damage to your sign.
Also included in the box is the mounting bracket. This is a universal connector that can use multiple different fittings to get on multiple sized poles. This is what you'll use to connect the sign to whatever you want it hanging on.
Okay. You will also have a bag of, well, let's call them gubbins, which is all the smaller pieces associated with your sign. First piece is a USB Bluetooth stick. This is for if your computer does not have Bluetooth, this will provide it. It is a simple plug and play USB stick. Just plug it in, it will provide you with Bluetooth. Also in the bag we have a wall charger for the batteries in the sign. The batteries will come installed in the sign, just not hooked up. That will be covered in one of the later videos. This is for if you need to remove the batteries and charge them separately from the sign. As Colby suggested earlier, there are also sets of keys in the bag. You have two sets. One set goes with the universal mounting plate. The second set goes with your sign. They are used to lock the sign in place when you've mounted it so that people can't steal your batteries or steal your sign. The final parts in this bag are various nuts and bolts needed to mount the sign. We will go through those with the assembly part of the video in part 2.
The last component of the box are a box with all of the components needed to mount the solar panel on the sign. We'll go over this again during the assembly and mounting video. Thanks for watching our video on unboxing the speed feedback radar sign. Join us again for our next video of assembling and mounting the sign. Thanks again.